Chemistry? You want chemistry in your face hole? Education all around here. So get prepared, mother. You're able to find them in gases and liquids and solids. Oh. Such as mixtures of hydrogen, oxide, what is nitro. I said, what the I'm not saying that. Nitroglycerine. The efficiency on those materials depend on many factors. Explosions are made of 1, a reductor, 2, of an oxidant, usually in an optimized ratio. Or the explosion contains both parts in itself! In itself? What? A few facts you might want to know, player. Gunpowder has the explosion speed of 500 meters per second. Bit. Nowadays, high-tech explosives are 1 of 5,000 meters per second or more.
And more.
On the other hand, atomic/nuclear reactions are not chemical, but made from the nuclear reaction. So I guess you've been thinking why we're in the wilderness today. It's because of chemistry. It's all around us, baby. Chemistry's even in your toilet. Chemistry in your face. Chemistry. Let me tell you something about chemistry. This is education in your face hole, right here. Explosives are substances. Release my
Dude.
high-tech explosives are
Whatever you
called release high quantities of volume and mass.
Weird.
Nowadays, high-tech explosives are now 1 out of 1. A few facts you might want to know, player. Gunpowder.
That's both facts. Let's go.
A few facts you might know, player. Gunpowder has the explosion seed. Bad idea.
Bad idea?
Can we get one in the water too?